ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Panda Photographer, and this is a Sunwayfoto cityscape, long exposure, nightscape, urban photography, travel sites, ultimate guide to the ultimate setup, one setup for all cameras. With that said, everyone, I'm the Panda Photographer, and I'm a travel pro photographer that's been traveling around the US for a long time, taking amazing photographs. And I want to say thank you, Elaine, and the Sunwayfoto social media team for bringing this to my attention and sending out this gear out to me. I'm lighting this up with the Sunwayfoto FL90 RGBs on both sides. I wish I had two more to do a nice 360 cross session, but I take what I can get. But subscribe, like, and share to this channel if you want to save 10%. I got affiliate links and a promo code, ThePandaPhotographer, save 5% off when you check out at the Sunwayfoto direct website down in the description below when you click on the affiliate link though. But with that said, everyone, you can find their products at B&H. You can find their products on Alarama as well. But let's focus on the carbon fiber T2540ct carbon fiber travel size tripod with the DT03R, which means rotate. So no matter where I rotate, even if I have this straight, my horizon will always stay the same. As long as I have this straight, my horizon would always be the same. This is why I love two-way ball heads. As long as I have my levels correct, my two-way will always have horizon level. I'm using also, which is compatible. Everything is ArtSwiss compatible, which is the DPL07, and Sunwayfoto do have the DPL08 and 09L plates, which are all universal for any camera. And this is why I said earlier that this is a universal setup for any camera. So with that said, everyone, this is a complete, easy, light travel but professional setup, just in case you pro photographers out there want a secondary or third camera setup, just in case if you're doing a third camera shootout, if you're getting different angles. It depends on how you shoot them, because I understand a lot of landscape photographers would get a secondary camera just to get a different perspective, and I can understand that. And this is why I also recommend two-way ball heads, because they always have that horizon always level. No matter where you pan, it's always level. But with that said, everyone, I'd like to use matte boxes with my IRIX lenses, because sometimes I use filters, depends on what that is. I use Canon cameras, I'm sorry, but I used to shoot Sony and Nikon, so I am a hybrid shooter. But take this with a grain of salt, everyone, and this is the setup. I do use a wireless controller, so no shake, that's important. But thank you, Elaine, once again for sending this beautiful carbon fiber tripod out to me. And this is the Travelers series, and this, like I said, everyone, is the DT03R, which means rotated plate. And also keep this in mind, the base plate also has a rotated as well, that plate down on the bottom there. So with that said, take that with a grain of salt. But this is the setup, everyone. I hope you enjoy this segment in my assessment on the Sunwayfoto products that the Elaine and the Sunwayfoto team would love to see you one day if you buy it using my promo code, because this is why they love to see me and give me an opportunity to educate you guys on the products that they send me. And hopefully it helps me build my career as a travel photographer out here in New York City, trying to do my best. Say this, do my best to emphasize the art of photography. But thank you once again, Sunwayfoto. Please do subscribe, like, and share. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. I get back to you. But with that said, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And let's do a behind the scenes really quickly. And that is the Sunwayfoto FL90 RGB. And I am shooting at a 5,000 Kelvin temperature at 40% power. And this is for my audience, behind the scenes. Can you guys give a take? And I hope you guys enjoyed this. So please, take it with a grain of salt and look at that view in the background. Oh yeah. Right here in the beautiful park. But once again, thank you Sunwayfoto for sending this out to me. I appreciate it. You guys are making me make a difference and helping me make a difference for myself. But see you guys.